Hey, good afternoon once again, folks. It's Rich here at the Preston Autoplex in Maryland. The vehicle we have in stock today, it's a nice clean 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Z71 suspension package according to the tag on the side. Just over 35,000 miles. Got your 5.3 V8 automatic transmission, rear wheel drive, got your backup camera, towing package, and of course these neat little steps on the corner you can see right now. Now tires themselves, about 80% of tread life left, and let me tell you this, folks, these are very nice all-terrain tires that are going to get you up that trail and back with no problems. Interior wise, folks, we have the grey cloth upholstery going on. And let me just give it a sniff in here. Oh, I tell you what, folks, this is, yes, that's right, that non-smoker vehicle you've been waiting for. Now, equipment-wise on the driver's door, got your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see them right there, and that brings us onto the driving environment itself. Got your power adjustable driver's seat. Again, super clean condition, folks. And that brings us onto the center console. Now, we do have OnStar navigation, but that is a subscription-based service, so be sure to check for offers on that. And take a look here, folks. Climate control, driver and passenger. And yes, ice-cold air conditioning. Now, with the summer just around the corner, guys, if your air conditioning is broken in your truck at the moment, you are gonna love this one. Anyway, the vehicle comes with a fresh inspection, limited warranty, as mentioned earlier. So if you have a few spare moments today, folks, give us a call, 800-655-3764, or see this vehicle online right now at prestonmotor.com.